You ever hear turbo and it does this? And have you ever wondered why? Well, I'm gonna explain. That's where you either get the blow-off valve or the notorious flutter. When you hear this, and then you get that super. I hope this helped.